Hello, there's a Sin Reborn, and I'm playing Airplane 2 Story. And I just gotta join my brother because I'm doing it with him. Right here, where you at? Why are you jumping?
I'm right here, boy.
Oh, there you are.
Why are you so... Look at your character.
It's because I have to stand up. It's because of it's the game animation thing. So which one are we going
No, mine is not like that.
Yeah, yours always was like that.
No, it's
Oh,
not
yeah,
like
you
that.
got an animation.
Come on, go.
Oh, no.
No, wait. I just wanted one. One second. How about this one?
Where you at?
I'm over here jumping. Same way I'm jumping.
I feel like I'm blind.
Probably are.
Wait, what? I just accidentally teleported to Cruise. Well, that was weird. I accidentally pressed Cruise.
I'm jumping. You see me?
There's a lot of people there.
You see me?
No.
Okay, no. We're in this one. Because people are going to this one.
Come on, it can't be on the...
Stay there. No, stay there.
Oops.
I was trying to attract people.
Hold on, I'm gonna ask. Kitty Pals is like they're recording.
Come,
please.
am I
You're
in there?
stuck.
Help me.
Wait, what? Oh, we loaded in.
There's only 3 people.
Yeah, okay. We got this. Oh,
Okay,
wait, yeah.
fine.
This time you can see your user. Oh, this is mine.
Oh, there you go.
Yours is, there's a name tag on both seats right there.
There's...
They're right there. You have to sit quickly.
Oh,
You're
here it
over
is.
there.
Here's mine. I was trying to find it.
Oh,
If I
then
can
who
sit
was
down,
this?
why can't I sit down?
Never mind.
There you go. Sitting down. On the road.
Waiting. Oh, finally, they're here. Oh, Airplane 2's, they're just bringing them right here. I'm relaxing. This is not a regular plane, of course. This is the president's one. 991 presidential aircraft. Oh, we can't go. There, on my comfy chair. We don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and that is the reason we are here. Oh, they're acting like they don't even know. Wait, oh yeah, I just remembered. There was some, like, notes, secret stuff. Yeah, it's true. There, get in your seats.
This is high turbulence.
No, it's gonna keep going. Don't jump off. Did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your cooperation. And they're not even answering. NPCs. I have been informed our president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find them there for further instructions. Come on, Cupcake. Hey, George, look. These are the sus people. They're both imposters. Look, no, it's because they're about to talk. See, and remember, no one should know about this. Oh, that's sus. See, like no one knows about this. Yeah, no one knows about this. We're like literally right here. The three of us are right here. Oh my! He's right here. Wait. Oh yeah, he's the broom that we need to clean. Because when we drink the water, we spill on accident somehow. And could I do this, or what would you have done? Your country is grateful. Not really, because I just saved one plane. Not really. Yeah, and technically it was only me, so I'm the hero. I'm the hero.
No, I'm the hero.
Oh yeah,
I'm
sorry.
Muscu.
Oh yeah, sorry. I just forgot separate.
Oh, I'm.
No, separate isn't like it works for both.
Oh, I'm not taking.
Oh,
this.
crew only. Yeah, it's the part where we have to do stuff. Oh, right here. This is one of the note stuff. Oh, it's over here. It's one of them. Saying he is the monster, the imposter. And we just gotta find them all around. There's lots everywhere. So kind of. Just sit. No, not here. Don't worry. Or they could be right here. No, there's not there. Don't worry. I checked.
Trust. You trust.
Where?
Right here. Near it. Trust.
Nice, sus.
Oh, he trust. Not trust he. Not trust he. Do not trust him. What's he saying?
No, it's just he is not normal or something like that. It's like a secret ending.
No,
It's
he said he not trust.
I know it's a secret ending. You don't trust this guy because you have to shoot him when you get the gun. If you survive all the way. Yeah, grab some water. Oh, I somehow spilled the water.
Yeah, of course. And you're like, how did we spill somehow? You freaking jumped on the table.
Alright, get the brooms. Get the brooms.
Run.
I swear, I'm so sorry. Hey, dude, move. I can't press the there. Is there more water? Where?
I mean, I missed
I don't see water. I'm gonna die. Oh, there. Just in case, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check over here for some sussment. I know, but just in case there's behind. Nope, it's totally not. There's nothing. Definitely. That's just one of the three. We need 4 of them now to get the secret ending. So, yeah, I told you that's the funny thing. Nope, not here. Blew that brick wall. See, I told you. Nope, there's not here. Hold on, check. Nope, there's not stuff here. No sus stuff. Something that's sus. I've only got 3 right now. But there's none in here, I think. Yeah, there's not. Wait a minute. Oh no, that's something else. You must know you are heroes for this nation. We have a delicious meal prepared for you. Oh, good, because I'm starving. So I turned to review, Mr. President. What, you fired the chef or something like that? The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane. We will take care of him, Mr. President. Oh yeah, one of us have to cook or 3 of us have to. We have to find stuff, pick up those stuff and put them in the thing.
Yeah, I am a great chef, dude.
Oh dude, whatever it says, find the tomato, find the fish, find the other stuff. Everything's there. Just it's by a time. It's by a time. You get notes, but for real, you have to do this. You have to just tap on the items, then put them in the soup, or else you'll die. It's a time thing. Just get a tomato. There's a fish too, and I think some salt. I don't know. Yeah. He tells you the ingredients. this. You got this. The soup needs eggs. Get eggs. Right there. I saw eggs right there. Good. The soup needs eggs again. The soup needs fish.
Got fish?
Well, we're gonna get food poisoning.
I got fish! I have fish!
Oh, there.
The soup needs apple.
Why would the soup need an apple? Does it? It's up there. It's up there.
I know I have it, but I can't. Oh, there we go. The soup needs pepper.
Pepper is that thing right here, right there. The food is ready.
Yay, I'm the best chef ever!
Yeah. Yummy soup. Let's go sit by the president. I'm gonna be right here. I can't even sit.
Except for 8.
Oh, there I can sit. Good. Oh, that was scary. I don't want to die. Yummy. Oh, I don't feel so good. What did you even put? Apple seeds? Like what? What soup needs apples? That's.
Where's the green soup?
I think that was I don't know. Clearly it was from cabbage, but they just told you to get the other ingredients. Enjoy.
I'm not eating this. I hate you.
Well, it makes no sense. Or, I mean, it might happen. I don't know. How did we drink all the ones from here and here? We clearly only drank one. Oh yeah, this is where we have to do the password thing. It's by color code, like in the Space Story. Oh, so find some sussment. Oh yeah, there's some over here. There's oh no, not there. There's some all the way over that way you're going, but we have to go to the computer room. No. You did? There were 3 of them.
Yeah, do not trust.
I know, but we have to find all of 7. You have to quickly tap on the computers when you see the password on that TV. Now, you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Oh, wait. Keep it. Stay there. Do it on Underwoods. There we go. Finally, all white. Oh, it's open. See, there are more in here. See, there's one I think. And is this right here? Right here. Right here. See?
Haunted. Do not trust haunted.
And I think there's one somewhere here. I don't know. Oh, I just saw some keys right there. That's sus. Well, I guess that's all we find right now.
Yeah, see, you're super chef.
No, don't shoot him. It's actually the agent. I shot nobody because I'm too nice. See, guys, I'm too nice. I want to.
Stop shooting you. Us nice. We should treat you nice. That's how that works.
Oh yeah, the keys are right here. There. I have found the keys, Master Kenobi. No offense, but you just have orange hair or something like that. The hair is kind of not like I thought it was.
Oh, okay, so. Not trust him.
I can't even touch it.
Trust not him.
Oh, here's the bad
Not
stuff.
trust him. Not
You-
trust him.
You're gonna have.
Not trust him.
Here's some bad news. You're gonna have to put some high brightness, and literally, the monster appears right. He like moved the carpet slowly. It's kind of scary.
Do not trust him.
Hold on. Check under the bed. No, there's nothing under the
It
bed.
says do not trust him.
He not trust the hunted or something like that. I don't know. There has to be more somewhere. Oh yeah, I just remembered. When we run, there'll be like some over there. I don't know, but yeah, it has to
Do
be.
not trust.
Let's just go to bed.
Do not trust him. Next is 5. Yeah, 5. Wait, do not trust. Okay, yeah, 5.
Sleep.
My brightness is.
Here it comes. It's scary right here. It's nighttime already, and we're not even asleep.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Can't sleep.
Look.
Who leaves the door open?
Yeah. Look. We're gonna have to escape. But look. Look right there. Guys. I don't even see him. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, the noise is coming. Oh, it's him. It's him. Ah, we're gonna have to run. Guys, the curtain. Cupcake, run. Oh, heck no. Did you forget me so early? Actually, no. I mean, I knew you were gonna come out. Oh, heck no. Run, we gotta fight. You gotta go all the way. They're all the way here. See, there's one right here. See, I got the 6th one. Do not trust the haunted. Oh, also, you're gonna have to rise up. Hurry. There's lava rises. All the way here. I think Cupcake died. I'm pretty.
He haunted. Do not trust him. He haunted.
Oh, we're gonna have to go. Lava comes up.
Bro. It says, do not trust him. He haunted.
Are we safe now? Oh, more noise keeps coming. The floor is lava! Don't push me off, I swear. Oh no, don't push you off. Oh, it goes all the way up to here.
The monster, he's like fat.
Oh, we're safe. But there has to be another one right somewhere here, I swear. No, it's not. I guess we're gonna have to go on later. I feel like it's by the door or something. That's what I feel like. Oh, there you go. We all called him.
I know where you're sleeping.
Why would you call when you're sleeping? Hello? Who's there? Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Something weird is something terrible is happening on this plane. We know, you idiot. This is the second movie. Don't you think we don't know about this? We're the origin story of this game. I can't tell you much through the phone, but I need you guys to come to the pilot cab. Okay. It's not open. Miss? She tries to unlock it. I feel like it's gonna scare me. Get closer while I do it. But be careful. The monster might. Oh yeah, we have to slowly go up. Or we have to go all the way, pretty much. Nope, it's not here. No, hurry, run! Don't let him catch you! You have to go all the way. Oh, there he is! He actually is chasing you! Yes. You have to keep jumping everywhere. Oh heck! Oh heck! He just teleported on you. Just keep doing.
I'm good.
Jump everywhere. Oh, he's slow.
Dude, help! It's chasing me! It's chasing me! Holy crap!
While you're at it, I'm gonna search.
Dude, distract him! Get him!
I'm trying.
You're
He's so
trying
good.
to freaking miles away from me!
Do it.
Harder! Get him!
He's gonna chase me now. Oh heck! Oh heck!
No, get away from me! Get away! It's your problem. Run! Stay away from me, John! No, I want nothing with you.
Oh! Oh! He just passed me.
Lights are- can't go in! Holy crap! Holy crap! Ah!
There, you're we're alive.
We're good? We're good? The door's open. Okay, run.
To here, I think.
Bro, he touched me. He touched me once.
I think you're on the pilot room.
Oh, God.
I think there's one last one in here, in this room. I swear it's there. It has to be. Oh, they're right here. There. 7. We got the secret of the
He is
notes.
haunted.
Here it
Do not
comes.
trust
Look,
him. He is
look,
haunted.
look. Look. Here it comes. It shows us something. Do not trust him. He is haunted. See? And look. Did he follow us here? See, he's right. Oh! See how scary it is?
What?
He just appeared. Or did you tap on it?
No, I didn't.
The card's right here. I got the secret ending.
Yeah, but there's nothing.
Weird. I knew there was something wrong here.
It says 1 out of 7. What?
What? You literally. Oh, did you tap on the whole thing?
I never knew you had to tap on that!
Well, we're gonna have to go all the way unless you want to probably do it again, but not with that, but not recording. But still, I don't know. Well, you can see what happened on my screen on my video. He only used to be a human, but he has no friends. Poor guy. See,
Hey, I want to be his friend.
guess what? You learned about his past in like Airplane 3. And you try to save him, but the skeleton guy who created the monster just like knocked him out and made him a monster. Kind of killed him. He'd like, rise, my child. He's like red news. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. Oh yeah, see, he died of a heart attack. Yeah, that was exactly what happened on Airplane 3. He blames you for his death. No, you psycho.
I salute you, monster!
Oh yeah, he gives us the gun. She gives us the gun, and we have to shoot the. You have to shoot the man. Agent, yeah. Don't shoot the president. Or wait, should I do it? Where's the gun? Just get out of the. I think he just picked it up. Take this gun. Where is the gun? You don't even have it anywhere. Oh, right here. You only have one chance. Yeah, there's only one bullet. Discover and kill him. I swear it's the agent.
No, it's the agent.
Yeah, I even found it out. I got the secret ending and the happy ending.
It's
Not
literally
there. Okay,
You have it?
I will do it.
Do it, Jeff!
Do it. Do it for Palpatine.
Do it for us.
Palpatine.
I will get this Spartan!
Oh, here it comes. There you are. We've been looking for you. The jig's up, Agent Monster. Wait, put that gun down. What are you doing? I'm saving the world. We know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. Do it. I'll do it. You are making a huge mistake.
Your face is a mistake. Your life is a mistake. I hope you die.
We are not monsters.
Kill him!
I don't trust you. This is literally the detective and Among Us all over again. And I did the guy. I shot him. that, Josh? I killed the imposter.
Sorry, I was watching TV.
Ah, what is that? It's the monster. I don't know how he died. He's a ghost. How did he die to a bullet? It's a monster, President. It has been haunting us since the first trip.
I'm watching my favorite YouTube channel, City Reporting. You should definitely subscribe to me.
I tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us. Oh, it tried. I didn't mean I. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Of course, Mr. President. I hope you win the... I mean, I don't know. You might win the election, but you might not.
He already lost.
Oh, okay. Congratulations, President. You saved the day once again. That was so scary. Let's go home.
What's scary? Sorry, I don't know what's
At least it's finally over. I killed the guy who was sus. And he really was the imposter.
But he's dead.
Yeah. Well, in the third one, he really is.
Yay!
Let's go. See, he was a one shot, so I took the chance to kill him. Let's go. So guys, I hope you loved the video since lots of pretty much fun stuff. Probably the story might have the most views of all. I don't know, but like give it up to more than 7 views than of my castle story. Yeah, more than that, please. And hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, give a like. But if you really didn't or don't mind, then you may but then your like and dislike is optional. Subscribe if you're new, and hit the bell for more of these fun stories with my brother, or just alone, or maybe some Among Us, until I get more like Fortnite back and some Minecraft too with that. Bye.
Bye.
I think you're stuck, Josh.
I am stuck.